Hello, Glen York Elementary. My name is Miss Jeanette Tejas, and I teach 4th grade math and science. I am here to tell you a little bit, just a tip of the iceberg, about Hispanic Heritage Month, and specifically my Hispanic heritage. So Hispanic Heritage Month starts on September 15th and it finishes on October 15th. And it's just a time where we can learn about and celebrate Hispanic heritage. So my mom was born in Texas. Her family was born in Texas. My grandparents, my great-grandparents, born in Texas, but they are of Mexican descent. My dad descent means that their family eventually comes from Mexico. We just don't know when. They've been in Texas forever. My dad, it's a little bit easier for him. He was born in Mexico and he immigrated to the United States when he was 17 years old. The second most important thing, other than food, I guess the third, food, family, and then music. And I'm here to tell you a little bit about music. The first thing that I want to talk about is conjunto music. And there's an instrument called the Bajo Sexto. Here's a video of my cousin playing an instrument called el Bajo Sexto. So, el Bajo Sexto is a 12-string guitar. It's a Mexican string instrument from the guitar family with 12 strings. So instead of 6 strings like a regular guitar, each string is doubled. Stay tuned tomorrow because I'm going to give you some more information about conjunto music. Viva mi gente!